Hey everyone, Hamza here, back with another tutorial about how to integrate infrastructure as code into your MLOps setup using these three brand new modules on the HashiCorp registry. So now you can finally use Terraform directly to provision and register your MLOps stacks with ZenML. Let's see how this works, for example, in GCP. Nothing really is required here. Of course, you need a ZenML server deployed, which can support a remote setup. And the first thing you do is connect to that. So I have, for example, here my ZenML Pro tenant, which I can copy. I can take that into my script and install my client and connect back to the tenant. That's the first step. The second step is to create a service account. So for example, here the command is conveniently placed. So I can just say for Terraform. Here you can see that this service account now has access to my tenant and it has printed out a key for me. And then the rest is just simple Terraform. There's a convenient script I can copy and make a Terraform script around it. Of course, I need to put in my input credentials. So here I'm going to be using my GCP project. I can select my region if I wanted. I'll put in my key, which is printed here. There is an end line here, which I need to break. So that's important. And I need my URL of my tenant or my ZenML server for open source users. Once I have this set up, this is ready to initialize. So I can do Terraform init. This downloads all the libraries that I need. And Terraform apply, which of course applies this and tells me what's going to be created on Google. Here we're going to be just creating a simple stack with a bucket, a container registry, a cloud build instance for remote cloud builds, and we're using Vertex AI pipelines for the orchestrator. So all of this, if you did it manually, you would have to, set up all the permissions, set up all the instances, and here with one click you can do that. And here you can see, if I go back into my stack, there's a new one that comes in, Terraform GCP stack, just created for Terraform. If I clicked into it, I could see all the stack components. And now I can go ahead and start running my pipelines easily on GCP. Of course, I can also destroy it as I have my state. This is one of the advantages of using infrastructure as code, that I can integrate into any pre-existing infrastructure as code setup that you might have in your organization. So you can destroy resources and provision them at will. This is a standardized way of doing it. You can control costs and you can roll it out to data science teams as it goes. Here you can see the destroy is complete. If I go back to my tenant, the stack is also deleted. Cool. So you have this for AWS, GCP, and Azure. Soon there will be a dashboard widget for it as well, but for now you can use the HashiCorp registry. And hope you like it, and let us know your feedback on Slack. Thank you.